What's up? Welcome to Jack Videos. Today we are doing a couple things. We're here at this little boardwalk area and it goes over the water. It goes way back there. We're gonna check out all that and see if we can see any alligators or crabs or fish, any kind of cool wildlife. And we're also going to build a giant paper airplane and see if we can fly it. Jack has this small one here.
Yeah, and then we're gonna make one that's about like this.
Yeah, we're gonna make one that's looks like this, but it's gonna be super big, and we're gonna see if it'll fly. All right, Jack wants to do the paper airplane first. This is the huge poster board that we're gonna do and see if it will fly. Comment down below if you think we can turn this into a paper airplane and if it will fly. What do you think, Jack?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna fly?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I thought you said it wasn't.
Yeah.
Earlier he said it wasn't gonna fly. I guess he changed his mind and now he thinks it will. Really? You think it will?
Yeah, but this one flies pretty good.
Yeah.
I tested it.
We'll see. Well, here it is. Let's see if we can get it to work. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. It might be too big. Alright. Am I doing this right? Let's see if I can remember. Is it looking like an airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, this part's a little hard. I got some tape just in case we need some tape.
Yeah.
This part doing right here is kind of difficult because it's so thick, it's hard to fold it. There it is.
Look good.
Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I hope so. Let's test it out.
Yeah. I don't really know if this is gonna fly, so this is quite heavy.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy.
Yeah, we're gonna test it.
Yeah, you want to test it that way so that it's away from the water?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Oh, did it work? A little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta throw it harder.
Wait, I want to throw it from here so it goes a little faster.
Yeah. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Let me try.
How would that feel the wind?
Yeah, it is windy. That could be affecting it.
Work.
Yeah. All right, so we've got this pink airplane and I have one more poster board, a red, and we're gonna see which one will go further, red or pink. Let me make it. All right, I've got this red one all folded up. See how it flies.
Ready, get set,
Hold on,
go.
1, 2, 3. Whoa, your pink one went far. Let's see how far the red one will go. I think they went about the same.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa.
I'm trying to dodge it.
Nice.
It was gonna land into you.
Yeah. All right, the paper airplane was fun, and now we're gonna head up here and see if we can see any wildlife. So if we're a little bit quiet, just so we don't scare anything away.
Yeah.
What's that? If we're quiet, we might see something.
I think that's something else. One time, I think.
Which way should we go? There's three different ways. Go left, straight or right? Ooh, let's go right.
No, I already know it's this way.
Keep your eyes out. Lizard, a lizard, a lizard. Right there, right there. Oh. A bunch of them, Jack. There's a bunch of lizards. Don't get too close. That one's missing a tail. Oh, so cute. Oh.
Can I try to catch him?
So cute.
Oh, shit. Another one. Oh.
Aww. They're so scared of us. I wonder if we'll see any more.
We saw some wild
right there. He's hiding. He's brown and green. Oh, he's so pretty. Oh, he's so cute. Hello. It's a lizard.
Oh, shit.
Oh, where'd he go? I hear him. I think they're down there somewhere.
Yep,
It's a good place for lizards to hide. All right, let's go see if we can find anything else. Be quiet, just so we don't scare the animals away.
It's a little wild one.
This is a perfect area for alligators.
Okay, throw this in.
Yeah, can throw sticks in. Perfect swampy swamp area.
I wonder if they're gonna sink.
And also a good area for turtles and frogs and crabs.
Oh yeah, one of them.
Ooh, look, there's a dock out there. We can go stand on that.
Yeah.
What is that thing sticking out of the water right there?
It could be like
I don't know what that is.
like a stick or something.
This water looks so gross. Oh, there's something white in the water down there. Is that like a alligator egg? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Is it an alligator egg?
Oh, yep, it is. Definitely is.
Cool. I think it is.
And it's even moving.
No, it's not. It's staying still. The water is moving.
It looks like it's moving.
I don't know. Cool. Let's go over here.
It's an alligator. Oh, spider web.
Ugh. Don't like spiders.
Come down below if you like spiders.
There's a dog. I'm gonna go check out this little area over here and see if we can see any fish or anything.
I think there's fish in it.
There is a duck, look, out there. Can you guys see it? It's far out there.
Oh, and there's a duck.
Aw, it's cute. Don't see anything
All I see is
down there.
fish food.
Hey duck, come here.
Ducky!
Is that another alligator egg? Do you see that white thing down there?
Yeah, that's
In the water?
That's an alligator egg.
I wish we had a net and we could scoop it up. We need to come back with a net. Can you guys see that? Comment down below
Yeah, see that, Ron?
if you can see that, and then what is it?
That's
Like a white ball.
That's definitely alligator egg, Mom.
I think so.
Or duck egg.
I think ducks lay their eggs on land, and I thought alligators did too, but I'm not sure.
They lay them underwater. They're underwater.
Ooh, let's go up to that high point up there and see if we can see anything from up high.
There could be a raccoon over there.
A raccoon? That would be cool. Alright, we're up here at this high point, and the water can see way down below. It's easier to see like the bottom of the water from this high up.
What is this doing white?
Whoa. I feel so high, like I'm on top of the world up here. Let's see. It's like a bunch of trash. I wish people would pick up after themselves. That's not cool. All that litter. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at all that trash. It's sad. Remember guys, to clean up after yourselves. Put your trash in a trash can. It doesn't belong out here. So I'm not seeing any crabs or alligators or even turtles.
Well, we saw alligator eggs.
Yeah, might be alligator eggs. They looked like eggs. There's the dock where we were earlier.
And there.
Let's go down there. Wonder what's down that way.
I think it's a house.
A house?
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe.
There's water though.
Yeah, there's water down there for quiet. Maybe there's there's an alligator and some more lizards.
I wonder if there's an alligator on that side now.
There could be an alligator under us because there's water. Oh, there's tons of footprints down there. What kinds are those? What kind of footprints are those?
Oh.
Comment down below. What kind of footprints are those?
Whole footprints.
Do you see all the footprints in the mud?
No.
They're like raccoon, alligator, bird.
Oh. No.
All right, we made it to the end of the bridge. Some more water. Ew, this water's like green. Slime water.
Oh, yeah, touch that.
Ooh, there's a concrete thing down here. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder what all this concrete stuff is doing here. Oh no. Maybe like there was something here and it broke? Oh, there's a little lookout over there.
Oh. It's sitting there probably forever.
Oh, look at this. There's a little peace sign in the tree. That's cute.
Is it a piece?
It's a peace sign. Someone put a peace sign there. Friends, what are these in the mud? Like, look like little hands.
Like a baby.
Maybe they're raccoons.
Oh, yeah, they are raccoons. But look how sharp they are.
Oh yeah.
I broke their hands.
You broke the prints.
Their hands are off.
The little trail leads to more concrete. It looks like you can probably stand on this. Hopefully there's no alligators right around here. Just be careful.
I want you in front fence too.
I don't want you to stand too close to all those bushes.
How down this rock? Can we?
Cool. Wonder what these are from.
I wish I'd stand on this other rock.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want you to come.
There's a bunch more pieces in the water.
I want to get out of here. I'm scared there. Mommy, I want to try to get on.
Look, one of those striped things you were seeing earlier. Those striped pieces of concrete. This is so weird. This has like metal in it. Oh, it's a stick. This one has a hole in it though.
Yeah. I want to try to get up over here.
This is like a bar. Wonder what was here. Why is there all this concrete?
Yeah, comment down below why there's all this concrete.
Yeah, comment down below. What do you think all this concrete's here for?
Yeah,
Gonna head back to the bridge.
yes.
Go down a different part and see if we can see any wildlife. Jack is so fast. I don't know. I want to find something. Like we haven't got to see. We saw the lizards and some footprints. I haven't seen any fish or anything though.
But we saw eggs.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We did find possibly eggs.
See, look.
Let's go see what's at the end of it real fast. Looks like all swamp and marsh
Trash.
and trash, yeah. I guess that's it.
Yeah, you're available trash.
We didn't see any alligators today. That tree looks weird. Its roots are out of the ground. Cool. Thanks for watching Jack videos. Hopefully you guys had a good time watching and we'll see y'all next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yep, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.